It is Monday morning and there's Monday morning fabrics and they're so pretty. These are a great summer collection. Let me show them to you. Lavender, 100% cotton, stretch in both directions. Just so pretty. Just a little top. I think you could do a whole ensemble. I just think it'd be so pretty. And then coordinating with it is this really pretty floral velour. It has stretch in one direction. This is a cotton poly. Just so pretty. It's just great drape. Just really very nice. To coordinate with all of this, I went into the deep tones, the deeper kind of the blue royal tones. This one you could really use either side. This has stretch in both directions. This is a poly cotton. When I say cotton first, that means it's more cotton. When I say poly first, it has more poly. So this one definitely has more poly, but definitely has a cotton to it. And then it coordinates beautifully with this border. You can see that beautiful border. This is border on one edge only. It has stretch in both directions. It's 100% cotton. Yep, you heard it, 100% cotton. It's just a gorgeous piece of fabric. The border is about 12 inches wide, the 60-inch wide bolt. Just a beautiful piece. This is 100% rayon, viscose. And I mean, it looks like a linen, feels like linen, drapes like a linen, has great, well, it's better draped than a linen, I should say, really. But it's 100%, it's beautiful. It's a woven, just a great fabric, especially for now, for just to be cool and comfortable. And of course it's a white that you just can't see through, and that's those whites that we're all looking for. All of these fabrics today are just $11.99. Today and tomorrow, $11.99. And then we have this beautiful texture. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in one direction. The texture is just stunning. Both sides can be used. Just a really unique, beautiful piece of fabric. All right, so happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns, and happy Monday.